Hello everyone, here we go. So today we're going to talk about the syntax of JavaScript. So before we dive into the subject, I want first of all answer the questions of one of my follower who want to know how to get JavaScript, where he can downloads JavaScript, and you want to know if JavaScript is free or paid. I know that you are asking the same question. So this is the answers for this question. First of all, you need to keep in mind that you don't have to get or download JavaScript. JavaScript is already running in your browser on your computer or on your tablet or on your phone. So JavaScript is free to use for everyone. So the last time I show you how you can write JavaScript code in the real world life. So for today, I want to go a little bit in deep, showing you how you can write the JavaScript code as a professional developer. I show you how developers write JavaScript code in the real world life. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, create an HTML file. Create an HTML file. Create also an index.js file. So put the .js extension to create a JavaScript file. If you write h.html, it refers to the HTML file, and the .js refer to the JavaScript file. Sounds good? Perfect. So now I'm going to show you how to write JavaScript. This is our file. So where to write JavaScript code when using HTML file. So JavaScript, you can write it inside the head, or you can write it on the body. So inside the body, like this. So this is our code, my code. As you can see, the script refer to the JavaScript. So I write my JavaScript code inside the body. As you can see, I can open the live server to see if my code is running. So as you can see, perfect. It's running. You can also write your JavaScript code in the head. Let's remove it. You can write it here. It will work, this code. Part 2, part 3. So, as you can see, paragraph changed the final part 2. It's working. This script is running inside the HTML file. Inside the HTML file. So you can also write the JavaScript in the external file. So what you can do, you remove the script. See, you remove the script, and you take this code, your JavaScript code, and you write it here in the index.js file, and you go back to the HTML file. You write your script here, referring the source of this code. I write the script in the top. In the head, I write index.js. So the best practice when you write the script inside the header, we use differ. Why? So when we use differ, the JavaScript code will run after parsing the old HTML code. So if you want to use it in the body, in the bottom, just here. In this case, you don't need to use differ because it is in the bottom. See? Let's write in the bottom. As you can see, let's see. It's not. Perfect. So it's running. Paragraph change the final in bottom. So now you know how to write JavaScript inside the HTML file and how to use an external file to write JavaScript code. So perfect. Now in the next video we will see in deep what is the syntax of JavaScript.